Welcome to MarineMax, Minnesota in Rogers, Minnesota. Today I'm going to be walking you through a 2019 290 SDX that we have in stock. We're going to start at the back of the boat. The beautiful back has this fantastic lounge you're going to find on every 290 SDX. With these very unique seats, comfortable, wonderful. You've got coolers in between so that each of you can have your own drink, have your own snacks on ice. As you walk into the boat, you're going to notice a nice entryway into the back. Beautiful seating in the back, plenty of room, plenty of guests. You're going to have family, you're going to have friends on the boat. We've got a nice little cooler station right here. Underneath there, a little cooler. Here is your sink. You can pop that up. Rinse off whatever you might need to rinse off. Kids can get messy at times. This one just has storage under here. Nothing too fancy. You've also got garbage right there for you to access. As you move further into the boat, again, that beautiful white ivory seating. You're going to notice that everywhere. The seating can be adjusted on the fly. So if you need more room in the lounge area, you have more room. A wonderful bimini to keep you out of the sun. It's that dark blue bimini. This one has the wakeboard tower on it as well, so if you want to tow somebody, you absolutely can. Not a problem. Moving a little bit more forward, you're going to find the head unit. So if you need to go to the bathroom, this one does have a bathroom on it. A nice sink. Over to the driver's station. You've got your controls all set up right here. The SIMRAD screen that's going to give you your charts. If you want to Bluetooth, if you want to play music, got that set up right here for you. Easy to control, easy to navigate, easy to understand. We walk you through every boat that we sell, so you're going to get an on-water orientation. Moving forward though, what you're going to find with any SDX is that beautiful bow, the nice square bow seating, plenty of room up here for conversation, for having fun. Big anchor right off the nose. Keep you planted when you want to stay planted. Again, my name was Tom Eckers. I'm in MarineMax Rogers. If you want to know more about the boat, please email me, call me. If you want, subscribe to more videos, smash that button down below, and hit the notifications so you get all the walkthrough videos as they come on board. Thanks for stopping by.